Welcome guys. Today we want to teach round horse kick. In Taekwondo we call it Doryochagi. Doryochagi, round horse kick. So be there, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos of Taekwondo kicks and martial arts as a whole. Be there and watch so that you can learn something new from this. You see? So you twist like this. This is the motion. Right? This is the motion of round horse kick. So can you demonstrate round horse kick? Come on. You see? See when you see? And you have to twist. You have to twist like this. Let me demonstrate. Down. Here. Right? You have down. Balance from the center. Yeah. Hippie is even going to rotate. Balance from the center. So this is the motion. You can choose here. Right? Down. You can also choose here. Down. Right? This is round horse kick. You have to twist. You have to twist. Check by shoulder. Twist like this. See? See my feet? So this is the motion. You should be able to see. Right? Accuracy. Where do you want to hit? Do you want to hit here? Do you want to hit here? Right? Yes. So the thing is, you have to twist to make sure that your kick is very effective. So that's the motion. You twist, you put your hands here, you board whenever you are kicking. You have to twist. Right? Down. Ngadukumanga twist. Zitandiza unena kuti ukhale balance ukuku. That is why I'm doing this. Alright? Yeah. Right? Balance from the what? Balance from the center. Come on. You twist more. Twist your feet. Come on, go. Kick. 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 Come on. Complete kick. Come on, go. You are failing to twist, but you have to twist. You understand? Yes. So, lesson here to the menu. This is round horse kick. Down. Yeah. So, to make this kick effective, you have to be flexible enough. I have a video of flexibility exercises on my YouTube channel. So before you go to this lesson, you can go back and watch that video so that you can be flexible enough to be able to kick effectively, to produce the round horse Doryochagi in effective way. Right? Even here. Right? Right? Yes. So this is Doryochagi motion. Round horse kick. Right? Come on. You fix. Twist. Twist your feet. Twist. Twist. More. Twist. Yeah. Yes, like that. Hold your hands here. Hold your hands. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Yes. Hold your hands. Zanjari carry up. 5 minutes up. Up. Yes. It is very belly up. Try to fix yourself. Check by shoulder. You have to face this kick. Ready? Butt in. Ready? Don't bend. Don't lean backward. Yet? Come on. Stand. Right? So this is the motion. You can be able to kick. Ready? And control. You see? That's the motion of Doryochagi kick. Right? So you will kick down. Right? Yeah. So this is round horse kick. Yeah, hello guys. This is the end of our today's lesson for round horse kick, which is called Doryochagi in Korean language. That is Taekwondo. Until next time, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. See you. Bye.